going to share with you how to add MediaPlace partners as an advertiser and analyst for your Facebook page. This will allow MediaPlace partners to manage advertisements for you, but won't allow us access to anything like editing your page or adding new page roles, responding to comments, or making new posts. We can only manage your advertisements and look at your reporting. Facebook provides a series of page roles to allow you to add people to your Facebook page to do different things. If we look at the Facebook Help Center, you'll see that there are 5 of these roles. MediaPlace Partners is only going to ask to be an advertiser or an analyst. We won't ask to be an administrator, editor, or moderator. If the request comes in and with any other request besides advertiser or analyst, please contact us right away and we'll make sure that we get the right roles requested. Let's get started. Go ahead and log into Facebook and head on over to your page, just like you were going to write a new post or maybe edit some information. We're going to choose Settings from the top right menu. It's right up here next to Help. And when the setting page loads, we're going to look for page roles. Page roles is going to be on the left-hand side. It's going to be about halfway down the page, right here. And let's click on that. Once that page loads, you'll see that there are some options. We can assign a new page role, look at pending partner requests, or look at existing page roles. MediaPlace Partners is going to make a formal request through what they call the Facebook Business Manager to manage your advertisements for your Facebook page. So we're looking at pending partner requests. Jump to that section. And right here we see the MediaPlace Partners request to be an advertiser or an analyst. Note again, it's advertiser or analyst. We don't ask for any other page roles. To get started here, let's click Respond to the request. The next thing that you'll see is this dialog box. It tells you that a business manager wants to access your page. This is completely normal. Again, MediaPlace Partners is using the Facebook Business Manager, so this is letting you know that MediaPlace Partners wants access to your page. You can confirm that you want to give us advertiser and analyst access by clicking this box right here with the check mark. Facebook will ask you once again to approve the page access. Confirm that you want to give MediaPlace Partners access to your page, and your page name will appear here. If everything looks okay, you can go ahead and approve that request. For security purposes, you're going to have to re-enter your password, just to make sure it's you. I'll enter my password and I'll click Submit. And now you'll see a new section has appeared right here. It's called Agencies. And it shows that MediaPlace Partners, an integrity company, is now an analyst or an advertiser. MediaPlace Partners is going to get a message once you do this to let us know that you have completed this process. And now we're able to go in and manage your advertising and look at your reporting. If you have any questions about this process, or you don't understand something doesn't look right to you, contact MediaPlace Partners right away. We're happy to help, and we'll make sure that it gets done properly. Thanks for choosing MediaPlace Partners.